Violation of the Twitter policy, and as reported by journalist Barry Weiss, who tweeted, quote, after January 6th, Twitter employees organized to demand that their employer ban Trump. Quote, there is a lot of employee advocacy happening, said one Twitter employee. Far-left Twitter leadership became more and more hell-bent on kicking Trump off the platform. Quote, less than 90 minutes after Twitter employees had determined that Trump's tweets were not in violation of Twitter policy, Twitter's head of legal policy and trust asked whether it could in fact be coded incitement to further violence. And once the ban went into effect, internal messages show that staffers at the company, they were ecstatic and could not contain their own giddy excitement. Now, of course, all of that confirms what we've been telling you over and over again, that Twitter staffers, they made censorship decisions not based on actual rules or policy, based on politics, based on ideology. It's beyond just bias. It's an all-out effort to work as an arm of the Democrat Party, as admitted by Elon Musk, and to work in, of course, concert with corrupt actors in federal law enforcement, including, sadly, our FBI. Now Elon Musk is teasing even more explosive reveals, including those surrounding Dr. Doom and Gloom and Dr. Flip-Flop Fauci, who continues to take zero responsibility for his never-ending failures and his lies to you, the American people. Earlier today, White House Press Secretary Karine Jean-Pierre called the criticism, quote, dangerous. Take a look.
These personal attacks that we've been seeing are dangerous on Dr. Fauci and other public health professionals as well.